Welcome everyone to another Clarity Night. So how is it going for you all? Are you getting any value out of these Clarity Nights?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, great.
Lots of value.
How does it get any better than this? And how much is it? It is opening up for me as well as I do these Clarity Nights. So much clarity is coming into my universe as well. Yeah. So does anyone remember what is the topic of the Clarity Night today?
Yes.
Anger.
Anger.
Suppress it.
Anger.
Express it.
Express it. Yes. So, is any one of you on the call? Do you have those issues that your anger just bursts out? दबा के रखते हैं, दबा के रखते हैं,
दबा के रख।
कुछ चीज नहीं अच्छी लग रही है, बहुत टाइम तक दबा के रखते हैं, फिर फूट पड़ता है.
Yeah, happens to me.
Yes.
It just erupts like a volcano.
Yes. So how do you try to
Can't hear you, Tasneem.
You are not audible.
Okay. Am I now audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what does anger mean to you? And everything that brought up, will you please destroy and create it all times a God say? Right and wrong, good
Destruct
and
the
bad,
implant.
pod and park, talk, all nine shots, boys and beyonds. Yes. And everywhere you have been told that getting angry and expressing your anger was not the right thing to be in this world. And then you were made so wrong for getting angry. You might want to look back at your childhood days. At what age your mother or father or your teacher or someone told you itna gussa acha nahi hai, and you bought that point of view that there is something wrong with you getting angry. Getting angry is not the right thing. It's something bad. It's a bad behavior. It's against being a good person in the universe. It's a bad manner. And then you decided never to express your anger and your point of view at many a times, and keep it suppressed. And how much of your own capacities did you suppress by trying to suppress your anger? And everything that does not allow you to perceive, know, be, and receive that, will you please destroy and uncreate it all times a God. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shots, boys and beyond. For how many of you, when someone tells a lie and you just get aware कि ये झूठ बोल रहा है, and that awareness itself that someone is lying makes you angry. Yeah. So there are like Gary Douglas, who is the founder of Access Consciousness. He has given that there could be three things you might want to look at. That what is it behind your anger? What is causing that anger? So there are three things. So the first of all, whenever you are getting angry, ask yourself, is there a lie or a truth attached with lie over here that I am aware of that is making me angry? तो कई बार ऐसा होता है ना कि एंगर आ रहा है, समझ नहीं आता गुस्सा क्यों आ रहा है. Has any one of you gone into that space that you just feel angry and you don't think, like, yeah, you are not aware of any obvious reason why you are getting angry? क्यों आ रहा है गुस्सा?
राइट नाउ कल
हाँ?
कल से मतलब हो रहा है मुझे ऐसा और मैं मतलब बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा है, किस बात पे आ रहा है नहीं समझ में आ रहा. एंड जस्ट नाउ आई सॉ योर एड, मतलब दैट ब्रोशर के टुडे इट इज एंगर मैनेजमेंट. आई सेड चलो गुड.
So
आज
it's
के
not
लिए
anger management. So first of all the lies of anger management that you have bought so far, will you please now destroy and update it all times of Godzillion?
यस.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, or nine shorts, boys and beyonds. How many of those workshops or books that you have read about anger management have actually worked for you? What you actually end up doing through anger management is either you try to control your anger or you suppress it. और फिर भराता जाता है, it starts affects your body, it starts affecting your body, you lock it into your body gets like some people start accumulating fats. How much of the fat in your body is actually your anger that you have accumulated and suppressed into your body? And everything that brought up, will you please destroy and create it all times of Godzillion? Right and
Yes.
wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, or nine shorts, boys and beyonds. So what we are looking at right now is, instead of trying to manage and control your anger, what if you could start receiving the awareness that that anger is giving you? Okay, so if you receive that awareness, that anger would go away by itself.
Like I was very
Okay.
angry. I wanted to go for a walk, but मुझे फिर पता नहीं मैं इतना irritated और गुस्सा कि फिर मेरा सर दुखने लगा, पीठ सब दुखने लगी.
So
And I just
everywhere,
decided I'm not
okay.
going anywhere.
So just be with it. So like be in the question. I'm not going to give you any solution, Alifia. I'm not going to tell you that what is it that is going on with you. You will have to find out for yourself. So
No,
on the
nothing.
basis of,
Everything is fine these 2 days.
yeah,
Still, I'm getting angry.
okay. So just like,
I'm not
you
showing to anyone that I'm angry. I'm एकदम very cool, but I know that I'm.
inside?
Yes, something is there which is just फोड़ देने का मन हो रहा है मेरा किसी को.
Yeah, so the questions that, so be in that space and then receive what I'm telling you. So the first question you can ask is, what lies am I aware of? What is that lie I am aware of in my environment, of what the people that they are saying? Or is there a lie with a truth attached? That is half lie. So there is half truth, half lie that I'm aware of. So it could be either of these three things that I'm mentioning. So you have to be in question and receive your own awareness around that. So the first question that you can ask is there a lie over here which I'm aware of that is making me angry?
Okay.
And it would not be just that के कोई झूठ बोल रहा है, कोई कुछ ऐसा कर रहा है या कुछ ऐसा हो रहा है जो कि आपको मालूम है कि जो पूरे एक्शंस चल रहे हैं या जो भी चल रहा है उसमें कुछ झूठ है या कुछ छुपाया जा रहा है. And it would not be very cognitive. So just be in that question. So is there a lie over here? And universe, can I have this awareness with more ease now? Can I have this? Can you truth? What is the lie here that I'm not yet aware of that is making me so angry? So that is the first space. And then you might want to, like, to get into that energy, you might just want to look at that energy also, that if you are a teacher and a student is just lying, you know that the student is lying. आज असाइनमेंट नहीं किया है या करके नहीं लाए हैं, एंड देन दे आर जस्ट लाइंग के घर पे ये बीमार है, या मैं बीमार हो गया था, या ये हो गया, छुट्टी कर ली. Yeah, and at times like we just like we you might have that anger, and then you might be able to, with that, as soon as you get that awareness, you might even be able to laugh it off. Children do it many a times. They lie, and that you just get to know it, and it makes you angry. So if there is a lie, said or unsaid, or even a hidden lie, that is the first, like that is one area that you might want to look at. Then we all have like certain, as if there are triggers that we have. कुछ buttons होते हैं हमारे कि किसी ने ये कुछ बोला नहीं, या ये situation हुई नहीं. So for me, for say someone, if someone shows me एक भी कुछ ऐसा बोल दिया कि जिसमें ऐसा लगे कि I cannot trust you. There is some sentence that would come which would indicate that I'm not able to trust you. Please prove it to me. Like prove it to me. And my buttons would get triggered. So that is my trigger. I know that. That is my trigger. It would make me angry. How could you even think that you cannot trust me? So each one of us we have our own triggers. And as soon as those triggers are pressed, वो हो गया, फिर गए काम से, है ना? Then whatever amount of control and anger management you would do, your trigger would not go off. You might do your best to suppress it, but your facial expressions would either show it, or you might even keep a smile on your face, not show it, but somewhere inside, your relationship with that person would be like very, very badly impaired. So you would, there is a judgment that comes up. First you start judging that person, and as the time goes by, and then you would say, then as you go stay with it more, then you would start judging yourself. कि मैं ऐसा क्यों करती हूँ? Why do I always do that? Why am I not able to get over it? Instead of like so much time spending doing so much of consciousness work, all that personality development, working on myself and everything, and still I'm not getting over it. So you start judging, you go into your own judgment ultimately, and you create doubt for yourself. So when all your triggers, it could be with for anger, and there are many other triggers where as you start doubting yourself, when you go into fear. So all those trigger points, those are your distractions. So you are going ahead, you are moving on in your life, you are creating greater and greater each day, and then those triggers are pressed, and you would again get back. You would either stop yourself, your creations would get stopped, or at least paused. You would do something or say something which would kill your own creations.
This has happened with me.
Yeah. So it happens with all of us. So what does it does? These are distractions. These are all, like anger is the other place that you might want to look at. Is this a distractor implant? Are my triggers getting pushed? Am I now functioning from my distractor implants, which is causing me to move away from my awareness and keeping me small, finite, and limited? So distractor implants there are like such 24 such distractor implants. Apart from anger is a huge one of them and a very common one of them, and there are such 24 other, like in all distractor implants. which are mostly the buttons or the areas where we cut off our awareness. And all these distractor implants have been so much put into our belief system, into our bodies, into our being, that we, whatever, however much we try, we are not able to get over them. And कहीं ना कहीं जाके वो आपको, आप बहुत टाइम तक कंट्रोल कर लोगे, and then it gets triggered and it keeps you always away from consciousness. So these are basically designed, distractor implants are designed to keep you away from consciousness, to make you unconsciousness so that you can be controlled. You would always remain in control. If you go past your distractor implants, if you get aware of them and you clear them off, then you get into a space where no one can control you. And then you would, what would you become? Too powerful.
Yeah, sorry.
Too powerful.
Too powerful. Okay.
When no one can control you, how much powerful would you become?
Hmm.
When you never, nothing makes you angry, you don't fear anything, you never get into self-doubt. You
Hmm.
are totally aware what is going on. And you,
Hmm.
when you are totally conscious, you would actually be the infiniteness that you are as an infinite being. And then
Hmm.
you would be functioning from your potency, true potency.
Hmm.
You will never get tired, probably.
Yeah.
Yeah. So everything that does not allow you to access your own power and be always limited by your distractor implants, will you please now destroy and uncreate it all times accordingly?
Yes.
Right
Yes.
and wrong, good and bad, pot and pop, all 9 shots, voice and beyonds. So you like how many of your relationships do not get to a level of intimacy that you would like them to be in, and you create a comfortable distance from that other person because you have all those distractor implants which are cutting off, like as soon आप एक बार एंगर आपने हो गया, सप्रेस किया या एक्सप्रेस किया आपने, वो वहां पे आपका कम्युनियन ब्रेक होना चालू हो जाएगा, कनेक्शंस टूटने चालू हो जाते हैं. So are you willing to be in total communion with everyone and everything within that oneness where you can receive everything from the other person, even their anger? So the first thing was, like I mentioned, is there a lie? Second thing, is it a distractor implant? So the tool to use in that case is, like, if there is a lie, if you find that yes, there is a lie, and you even get to know about that lie, ask, how can I use this to my advantage? What is right about this that I'm not getting, and how can I use this awareness to my advantage, rather than getting triggered by it, and rather than going into judgment, rightness and wrongness, and trying to prove that the other person is telling a lie and how right you are. You don't have to do anything about the lie that you are aware of many a times. And at the other times, you just receive that awareness that what more questions can I ask over here? What more information is needed over here before I go ahead with this proposition, with this deal, with this relationship, or whatever it is. For the distractor implants, when you just are aware that your triggers are getting pushed and now you are operating from distractor implant, you are cutting off your awareness, and as if something else has taken control over you, where you are not able to even think and act in a manner in which you would like to. Just start running this clearing. All the anger and other distracted implants creating this, I destroy and uncreate it all. So all the anger and other distracted implants creating this, I destroy and uncreate it all. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, और 9 shots, poison beyonds. तो जैसे ही वो एंगर की शुरुआत हुई ना, कि अब जा रहे हैं, मतलब अब गया, हाथ से निकल चुका है, अब फूट पड़ेगा. Start running this clearing in your, like even you can do it in your head without saying it aloud. All the distracted implants, all the anger and other distracted implants creating this, I destroy and uncreate it all. All the anger and other distracted implants creating this, I destroy and uncreate it all. Keep on repeating, right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all 9 shots, poison beyond. So this is the clearing that you can do on those moments. And when you are, then the third thing that I said, the third thing is anger your hidden potency? So how many times you get angry when you have asked someone to do something, they don't deliver, they are not able to do it the way you can do it, and you are just aware that you are so potent that you could have done it in minutes and in a much better way. So how much of your anger is the hidden potency, is your potency that you are aware of? And it whenever you get, like, ask these 3 questions. Is there a lie? Is it, am I functioning from distracted implant? Is there a hidden potency that I have not yet acknowledged, which is causing this anger? And as you clear off your distracted implants, you would also find that your potency starts getting unveiled. वो आपकी पोटेंसी अपने आप ऊपर आने लग जाएगी, क्योंकि डिस्ट्रैक्टेड इम्प्लांट्स का पर्पस ही वही है कि आपकी पोटेंसी को दबा के रखना, छुपा के रखना उसको. तो वो पोटेंसी अपने आप सामने आने लग जाएगी. फिर आप सेल्फ सैबोटेज नहीं करोगे, अपने ही क्रिएशंस को किल नहीं करोगे. So how many of your creations you self sabotage yourself after you have gone into that? Like once you get into your distracted implants, you self sabotage your business, your relationship, your creation, especially when it is just going to reach its maximum. वो जब क्लाइमैक्स आने ही वाला होता है और डिस्ट्रैक्टेड इम्प्लांट और वो पूरा ढहा देते हैं. Yes. So, and everything that brought up, will you please destroy and uncreate it all times of Godzillion? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all 9 shots, boys and beyonds. So this was all, like the first part like that I wanted to talk about was you experiencing that anger, you getting into that anger. So how much of that anger can you use to unveil your own potency? By using these processes, these clearings, and asking these questions to receive more awareness. Yeah. And still, like, doing anger is not something wrong. But then when you do anger, when you show anger, when you express anger, and there is a charge that shows up in your body, मतलब आपकी बॉडी पे वो गर्माहट आती है, आपके गाल एकदम लाल हो जाते हैं, आंखें लाल हो जाती हैं और दिल की धड़कनें तेज हो जाती हैं. जब आप गुस्सा हो रहे हैं या एकदम इमोशनल होके रो रहे हैं या एनीथिंग ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट. So anger can also be like sometimes it gets expressed as crying, especially with women. When you go into that, like you start crying, and or it is like sadness. Anger can like it would turn into like depression and sadness also. When you don't express it and you just keep on suppressing it, it would turn into depression and sadness. So if you're if you can see that anger by doing, like when you do anger from that space where it is affecting your own body, it is totally into, you are operating from distractor implants and you are getting into unconsciousness. Other way of doing anger is something different. When you just know that if you आप थोड़ा जोर से बोलोगे, लाउड वॉइस में बोलोगे, आप ऐसा दिखाओगे कि आप गुस्सा हो तो वहां पे कुछ चीजें चेंज हो पाएंगी. So when you want to be that catalyst of change, so you can use anger without actually getting angry, but pretending as an anger, like showing that intensity by raising your voice, speaking loudly, a little bit of threatening voice that you throw out, as if like just like for example, when a small child is like there is some vehicle coming on the road and that child is like runs over the road, you would shout. Yeah, you would just shout to save that child. Yeah, so that is when you do intensity. So what if you could do intensity in your voice, in your expression, which would make things occur much faster without actually creating those emotions into your body. So from that space, when you do anger, if any one of you have heard Gary speaking, any of his classes or sessions, have you heard him speak extremely loudly at times, or like it would appear as anger, that he's facilitating someone and he just said something which was, he felt angry, and the next moment he is laughing. So when you do anger from that space, that emotion does not remain in your body and you can change your expression and voice in fraction of a second. So that time you are doing intensity to create a change very quickly, and someone has unmuted, and with a, I don't know. Okay. Is it echoing for all of you?
Yes, Tasneem.
Now I don't know what has gone wrong. And now? Is it echoing steadily?
No.
No. Okay. Neeta, did you want to ask a question?
No.
Okay.
I just wanted to say that when we get angry,
Nita, you're echoing.
oh, I better stop. Okay, I'll stop.
You go ahead, Neeta.
I just wanted to say when we get angry, when the words also don't come clear. At times it happens that way, and then the head becomes very hot. And then if you suppress it, then and there, it has a repercussion later on. You have literally have headache after some time. I have experienced that suppression also.
Yes, that's where you are doing anger from the space of distractor implant. So it has a toll on your body. So if you could done that clearing all of the distractor implants, creating this, I destroy and uncreate it all.
Hello, Tasneem ma'am. Can I ask something?
Yeah.
Able to hear. Actually, your voice is echoing.
Actually, I'm logged into from two devices. Na? So something is happening.
Actually, I mentioned in the chat also my question, but I think you're not able to see.
Okay. My laptop speaker is now working now.
Great.
Has the echo gone now?
Yes, it is. And we can see it clearly. Now, our voices are echoing. Better stop now.
Okay. So someone was asking a question.
Yeah, it was me, ma'am. Yeah. Like we're talking about the anger. Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, but I'll
Yeah.
keep it myself on mute while you speak. Otherwise, it will echo.
Okay, yeah. Okay, we're talking about the anger, like we're not supposed to express nor suppress it. So, won't it won't it create us? Won't we be treated like a doormat, like not responding to anything and just allowing to come whatever may, and we're not responding to the situation? So, will we be treated like a doormat? Like I wanted to ask that, neither suppressing nor expressing the anger.
No, you do it. You like you don't suppress it, or you don't like it's not that you don't respond. So you do anger in that case if you are an aware of a lie over there. So like you would take like make choices which would lead to some greater possibility. So you use that information to your advantage instead of just getting angry and getting irritated, frustrated, and not moving in any direction. The other thing is that when you are aware of a lie, or even if it is you know of a hidden potency, you can say something, you can take an action, you can express yourself in a way which is more constructive.
Okay, exactly. We need to express that.
Yeah, you express that, and if you need to do anger, you would do it without affecting your body. So when you clear off your distractor implants, and then when you say loudly, it doesn't harm your body. Your
Yes.
heartbeats don't get louder, like
Mhm.
it doesn't affect your heart, it doesn't affect your, like as Neeta said, that her head starts spinning, and
Mhm.
she's like her head starts aching, and like you are she's not able to have like speak clearly. Like it happens, it used to happen with me also, that when I used to be extremely angry, and when I would start speaking, it would just something like a blurred would come out of my mouth, my voice would start trembling. Yeah.
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
and all that anger and sadness and disappointment, frustration, all that would get mixed up, and I would be crying and shouting and everything at the same time. And does that create any result at the afterwards? When you look back, you see that whatever you had created, you have like just finished that off, you killed it, and you mm, just created a lot of trauma and drama,
Yeah,
and
exactly. Yeah, we are left with a
and
guilt then.
judgments.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
get into guilt, and you
Yeah.
are left with people judging you as someone who cannot control their emotions,
Yeah. Yeah.
and
Like we.
someone who is not stable.
Mhm.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
it doesn't work to your benefit. when you do anger from that space. But if you express yourself, if you in a different manner, when you are just from full awareness that what it would create, and do also anger in a way where you are totally aware that it would create a change that you are looking for without affecting your body, then it is something you are using it as a power,
Yes.
as a potency.
Yeah. We need to clear the distractor implants first, and then
Yes.
like, yeah.
Yes, and then when your head is clear, you are in like more space, then then you would make choices which would work to your advantage, and then you can throw that intensity to create the change that you want to. Like if there is a staff member who is like always coming late or not delivering on time, and you want to, like, one way of shouting is that you just lose your temper and you start shouting, and you become that, like, no, tamasha bana diya uska, tamasha khud aap tamasha ban gaye. And the other way is you just raise your voice and say exactly the same thing that would with so much of intensity to that person that they get the message and they dare not to repeat it again.
Yeah.
And you, without not a single of your body organs nor your facial expressions changing to that heat and redness and all those things,
Yeah. Yeah.
and
So
you
if
have
we
given that
get
intensity. Yeah.
right, like otherwise, if we get angry at the same time, we give birth to another distractor implant at the same time.
Yes, so
So
it leads
yeah.
it creates a chain. So you
Mm-hmm.
start off with anger, then you get into doubt, then fear, then guilt, and all those start showing up.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
you
Yeah.
had like देखना कि एक वो जो लड़ छोड़ते हैं ना दिवाली में, like एक करा देन पुट 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 छूटती चली जाएगी फिर वो.
Mm-hmm.
And therefore it takes, then once you have done it, it takes like days and sometimes weeks to get over it and come back into your own potency, again creating.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah.
it's a way in which you, like, you keep yourself very limited.
Mm.
Okay. And
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
like anger is one of the distractor implants. As I said, there are 24 in all such distractor implants. These are all, like, there was a whole, it's a part of the foundation class, and also there was a telecall series that Gary and Dane had done on distractor implants, which was later transcripted into this book called Living Beyond Distraction.
Yeah.
So if you get a chance to read that book and run those clearings, those are like, when you run all those clearings, I gave one of the tools, one that process, that all the distractor implants creating this, I destroy and create it all. And there are so many, like, very, very powerful clearings in that book that when you run them on loop, or the layers and layers and layers of distractor implants that we have been put under, like, they start going away, and your potency starts getting to show up. It starts getting out. So let me run one clearing from
Is
this.
it available on Kindle? This book?
It's there on the Kindle. I'm reading it from the Kindle.
Okay, great. Yeah.
So
Thank you so
yes.
much. Yeah.
And I'm doing a book club starting from 26th of October based on this Living Beyond Distraction, this book.
Okay.
So if you want to hop on, you are most welcome, and change a lot of things and get facilitated on this. So what physical actualization of the unchangeable and unalterable disease of potency and power are you not acknowledging as the source for the creation of what is hidden beneath all distractor implants? Everything that is times a quadrillion will you destroy and create it all, please. Right and
Yes.
wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. What physical actualization of the unchangeable and unalterable disease of potency and power are you not acknowledging as the source for the creation of what is hidden beneath all distracted implants? Everything that is times a quadrillion can be destroyed and create it all, please. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all 9 shorts, boys and beyonds. So instead of reacting with anger, ask some questions. So when, like, okay, so the other part, so is there any more that thing that another part is when you are being at the effect of anger, someone else around you is getting so angry and shouting at you or anything. So I would come to that as well. So before that, is there any question?
No, ma'am, thank you very much.
Okay,
It's very
so
much clear
now
for me now.
thank you so much. Yeah, so now if there is, if you are the victim, so there is someone in your family, in your office, your boss, one of your staff member who is otherwise very good, very potent, but then when they do anger, it's not acceptable. So anytime like someone else is doing anger towards you or in front of you, between their, like, two other people are fighting or doing anger on each other, and you are a witness to it, what is it that you can do to change the situation? So first of all, again, you can start running the same clearing, all the anger and other distractor implants creating this, I destroy and uncreate it all. So it's not just a clearing that works on your body and being. It works for, like, whenever you do a clearing, whenever you do any access session, 350,000 people connected to you, and especially the ones around you who are in your vicinity, they get free. So something shifts in their universe as well. So you see two people fighting, doing anger, you start doing this clearing, you would see that something shifts in their universe as well. So all the anger and other distractor implants creating this, destroy and uncreate it all. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all 9 shorts, boys and beyonds. For receiving anger, you can like everything else, anger is energy. So when we did this clarity night on energy flows, we saw that everything is energy. So anger is also an energy, and it is a very intensified energy. It's a lot of, like, so much of energy is there in anger that it just pushes you, and it occurs as a hurt. It starts hurting you. And if you can lower down your barriers and receive the anger as an interesting point of view, it's a lot of energy that you are receiving, and you can easily turn that energy into money or anything else that you would like to create out of it. And this is, none of it is logical and cognitive. It is just about, like, you lowering down your barriers. You put down your barriers and let it all come, and keep saying interesting point of view, that is their point of view, and all the anger and distractor implants creating this, I destroy and uncreate it all. It doesn't make you a doormat. It makes you uncontrollable. So when people do anger, the primary motive many a times of people doing anger is to control you, to make you do things that they would like to do you to do. Okay, to make choices that would work for them and probably not for you. And what they do is, they do anger, your triggers get on, You say something, you also start doing anger, and in the process you say something that gives them an upper hand, and then they can make you choose, make choices, or do something, take decisions that they always wanted to do. You go into guilt, you go into your own judgment, and then you succumb. And if you put down your barriers, and if you are receiving all that anger as an interesting point of view, the other person, like, they have lost their weapon. Can you see that? They are not able to control you, they are not able to trigger you anymore. And you can keep choosing and doing whatever you would like to choose and do. So does it actually make a doormat? If you give up your choices, when you get into fear and like do what the other person is saying with a lot of anger, and you get into guilt and fear and doubt, yes, then we will become a doormat. But if you clear all the distracted implants, receive all their anger as an interesting point of view, and still choose what would work the best for you, you will be totally out of control. So when we put it on loop, you do it on like on a low volume. Yes, it works on everyone. So does it make sense? How, like, to receive anger with your barriers down without reacting to it as an interesting point of view, and not giving up your choices. So when somebody tells you something that is not true about you, so this is, I'm reading out from this book, Living Beyond Distraction. So when someone says something which is not true, which is a lie about you, what we tend to do, we start to defend ourselves, and we get angry. ऐसा कैसे बोल दिया, है ना, ये गलत बात है, गलत चीज बोली मेरे लिए. Yeah, that is what comes up for you. So when somebody tells you something that is not true about you, you will tend to get angry. But instead of reacting with anger, ask some questions. What did he mean by that? What part of that is loving and caring? What part of that is just to be mean to me? This is the place of not going to anger as a reaction. Asking a question is going to the place of potency and power. The ultimate potency and power is question, choice, contribution, and possibility. So are you willing to receive the contribution that anger can be to your life and living? And everything that does not allow it, will you please destroy and uncreate it all times a Godzillion. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. So what if there was no need to get rid of your anger, but instead receive all the energy of the anger being done towards you, to receive all the awareness that whenever you get angry, instead you ask for that awareness, let go of your distracted implants, and be so potent and so powerful that you just become uncontrollable. So are there any more questions?
That was simply awesome. Like, though it needs a lot of practice, I feel.
Yes.
But yeah.
It's layers and layers. So yes, it is something you have to keep into your awareness, and be in that space, keep practicing it. So I'm doing this 12 call teleseries on distracted implants. So every week, 2 calls every week. So it will go over a span of 6 weeks on Monday and Tuesday. So if you look at this, any one of you who have seen this book or read this book, Living Beyond Distraction, the distractor implants, like these 24 distractor implants that I told about, they have been grouped into a subset of 4 each. So 4 distractor implants like anger, rage, fury, and hate. This is the first set of distractor implant. So likewise, there are 6 such sets of distractor implants, each one containing 4 related distractor implants. So if you see, anger, rage, fury, and hate are like similar kind of energies. When anger intensified is rage, even more than that is fury, and then ultimate thing that happens is you start hating that person. So it results in hate. So each week we'll be doing one chapter, that is one set of distractor implants on 2 days, Monday and Tuesday, 8 to 9:30 p.m. India time. And then the rest of the week, I will give you recorded clearings and all the tools that you have done pertaining to that distractor implant. You would have the time to clear them off. And then the next week, we pick up another one. So that's how this I have planned this teleseries to go. So if any one of you wants to hop on and get free of these distractor implants, which cause all your reactions and triggers, you want to go past them and step into your own potency, you are most welcome to join. It starts from 26th of October, Monday, 26th of October.
It's 16 calls, no, ma'am?
So earlier I had thought about 16 calls, but then when I saw that it's 6 sets, and like now like we don't read the full book. So the prerequisite that is that you should have your own copy of this book, either on Kindle or a hard copy. So we'll read 30% of the book. So I'm doing it 12 call teleseries. Was it Reshma who said that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Yes. So I'm like Reshma. So if required, if there is nothing more would show up, I'll do some extra calls. So, but then like right now I'm like 12 was like I changed that. So it's 12 was like more light right now.
Okay. Okay. No problem. Yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
I'm going to join that call.
Please do. Yeah. So it does
energy
shift.
exchange.
4,300 for this 12 call teleseries. I'll send out the invite, the flyer and everything. So you guys will get to know, and then you can choose. And whether you choose the book club or not, I would highly recommend to either buy that those telecalls from the Access shop or get this book and read it and run those clearings. And when you do it in a group and people ask questions, as we did right now, many like lot of things get clear. So when you do it in a group,
better, Tasneem.
yes, interaction creates like you might not be
The
asking
energy
that
is
question.
totally different.
Yes. So we have done it like previously once, and Shushma and at least like I can see Shushma, who is on the call right now, she was part of that series, and it shifted like it's huge shifts we can see with few like it shifted a lot for like for some of them at like it was like the total like their and total energy shifted after the
No,
call.
a lot shifted for me.
Yes.
A lot.
Yes. So what happens is that many of us we have done this, we get introduced to this topic in the foundation class, But then what happens is that in the foundation class, you don't deep dive into that. You just touch upon it. You get aware of the distractor implants, that yes, these are all the distractor implants. But then when you do this book as a book club, or you listen to that telecalls, it's like for so much is there with each one of them, and so many simple and pragmatic tools that Gary and Dane have given to deal with all the distractor implants. So how much of is like we are all getting into anxiety and fear right now due to all these COVID situations. So that is getting huge right now. So how much that is again a distractor implant. So you clear off a lot and you get some very fantastic tools for your lifetime. Okay, so are there any more questions about anything before I close the call?
Someone in the chat has asked that if this is put on loop.
Now, others who do not, yeah, I answered that. It's from Alifia. So it's like, yeah, if you put the clearings on loop in the low volume, no one has to understand them. Like you just put the clearing on the in low volume on loop, and it would work for everyone. And still, you can you see that you being choosing consciousness, you choose to come on these calls, you choose to get awareness about all these tools and processes, and it's your choice. And if the other person is not choosing to give up their distractor implants, you cannot control them and you cannot make them give it up. It's just that you will not get affected. As you run those clearings, it will not impact you, and they will not be able to control you. You will always remain in your potency when you don't react and resist to it. Others doing distractor implants. So if there are no more questions, I would like to close the call for today. So thank you everyone for joining in, for asking questions and receiving this call and choosing to go beyond anger.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining in.
Thank
Good night
you.
and have a wonderful
night.
weekend.
Thank
Good
you.
night.
Thank you, dear.
Bye.
Bye-bye.